Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your tuition costs with college study abroad, complete guide step by step clearly. To scale your tuition costs with college study abroad, start by researching program options available at your institution. Identify the specific study abroad programs that align with your major or academic interests. Connect with your academic advisor to discuss potential study abroad opportunities. Request information on tuition rates for both domestic and international programs. Compare your current tuition costs with those of the study abroad programs you're considering. Evaluate the differences in living expenses for the countries you wish to study in. Look into financial aid options available for study abroad participants. Apply for scholarships specifically designed for study abroad students. Consider a budget plan that factors in travel, housing, and daily living costs. Create a timeline for your application and travel plans to stay organized. Launch your application for the study abroad program, ensuring all documents are complete. Confirm with your institution how credits earned abroad will transfer towards your degree. Attend pre-departure orientations offered by your college. Network with students who have previously studied abroad for insights and advice. Upon acceptance, finalize travel arrangements and accommodations. Immersing yourself in the new culture can lead to invaluable experiences beyond academics. Regularly communicate with your home institution while abroad to ensure a smooth experience. Reflect on the ways this experience has impacted your personal and academic growth. Compile a report on your findings and experiences to help current and future students. With strategic planning, studying abroad can greatly enhance your educational journey while managing tuition costs effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.